Welcome to Wigglesticks TV. Just got back from Bikes and Baristas down at MotoHeaven. Some pretty cool bikes down there. Thought I'd just put together a little clip of what we saw. Some nice R1s, a couple of ZXR 750s, Ducatis. So yeah, check out the video from this morning. It's good to see some retro 90s superbikes in action.
So it's a Suzuki. It's very ZXR nice. Front end and rear end. It is too.
It's pretty cool though.
Yeah, no, it worked out well. I've had it for 20 years. I've done 100,000 Ks on it since it went back on the road.
Yeah, really. Yeah. It's pretty awesome. Brembo upgrades. No mirrors. Have you seen the mods on it?
Hey?
Have you seen the mods on it? Carbon wheels. It's got a Olin's rear shock over
Brembo brakes.
rear sets, Brembo brakes, full system. It's pretty fucking nice. Olin's steering. Oh, look at the tacho on it.
Racing.
Yeah. Well, it is. It's barely street legal. I would think it's pretty nice.
Well, it's not, and probably
It's got Olin's forks in it.
most of the bikes here won't.
No, true. Here we go, now we're in business. How's it going? Good. Good parking spot. That's mine on the other side.
My two favourite bikes.
Yeah. Oh, you're on Cafe Killers as well?
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah. Oh, I love that page.
Yeah, it's pretty. I got nothing else to do, so
I'll get these guys to service. Do a service.
Yeah, it's definitely a good thing.
Oh yeah. Never sell this one.
Nah, fuck that. Nah, I'm on the. I really want a stock red and white one.
Yeah, well, that's what I was just saying before. I was like, I'd love a red and white 98.
But fuck, the prices of them.
Yeah, they're gone crazy lately.
Oh, it is, yeah.
But anyway.
All right, mate.
Enjoy, boys. Have
See
a
ya.
safe ride.
You too.
You too. See you, mate. Bye.